Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Baiq Sulastiani Husna, and today I want to talk about two interesting videos about plastic and our environment. The first video is called A Brief History of Plastic, and the second video is What Really Happens to the Plastic You Throw Away. After watching these videos, I realized that plastic is not only useful for humans, but it has also become one of the biggest environmental problems in the world today. So, today I want to share what I learned, what I felt, and why we should care more about plastic waste. Okay, the first video explained the history of plastic. At first, plastic was created to solve a problem. Long ago, billiard balls were made from elephant ivory because too many elephants were hunted. People searched for another material. Then, scientists invented a material called celluloid, which later became known as the first plastic. After that, plastic became more popular because it was cheap, light, strong, and easy to shape. Plastic started to replace many materials like glass, wood, and metal. Eventually, plastic became part of everyday life, like these bottles, bags, straws, food packaging, and many another things. However, the video also explains that plastic creates a huge environmental problem because it takes hundreds of years to decompose. Okay, next, the second video tells the story of three plastic bottles after people throw them away. The first bottle ends up in a landfill. It stayed there for hundreds, even thousands of years. Toxic chemicals from the plastic can pollute the soil and water. The second bottle travels into rivers and finally reaches the oceans. This part made me feel really sad. The bottle becomes part of ocean pollution and harms sea animals. Some animals mistake plastic for food and die because of it. Imagine being a sea turtle or a fish surrounded by plastic every day. Our trash become their suffering. The third battle has a different ending. It is recycled and transformed into a new product. This shows that recycling can help reduce plastic pollution and protect the environment. So, both videos talk about plastic, but they focus on different things. The first video explained how plastic was invented, why people start using it, and how plastic become part of modern life. Meanwhile, the second video is focused on what happens after plastic is thrown away and how plastic was damage nature and marine life. So, the first video talks more about the beginning of plastic, while the second video talks about the consequence of plastic pollution. Together, these videos teach us an important lesson. Like this, plastic is useful, but if humans use it carelessly, it can destroy the environment. Okay, after watching these videos, I start thinking about my own habits. Sometimes I use plastic bottles or plastic bags without thinking about where they will end up later. But now I realize that one small action can affect the planet for many years. I feel worried about the future of our oceans and animals if people continue throwing plastic carelessly. I also feel responsible because protecting the environment is not only the government's job, it is everyone's responsibility. Even small action matter like bringing reusable bottles, reducing, reducing plastic bags, and recycling waste properly. So, in conclusion, these two videos show us about the history and the effect of plastic. Plastic may take human has easier, but it also creates serious environmental problems if we do not manage it wisely. So let us start making better choice from today. Reduce plastic use, reduce what we can, recycle properly, because a cleaner planet begins with small action for all of us. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye.